Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I've got in my sister's absolutely minging GLA 200, so we're going to whip round that real sharp, tidy it up. But the topic of the video is, I think I found TikTok Shop's cheapest detailing kit. So it's from a brand called NM Car Care. So in the kit we've got citrus, wheel cleaner, Snowfoam shampoo, glass cleaner, quick detailer, air freshener and a load of microfibers, and it cost me £23 delivered. That is an absolute bargain. There's a couple of things not in the kit which I think I'm going to need, which will be a four-let remover and a protection product that'll last longer than a quick detailer. They do have them products in their lineup, but unfortunately they don't come in this kit. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you what we're working on and we'll chat about each individual product as we're doing it. Alright, so first up we've got the citrus, and I've diluted it at 1:5 in this pump sprayer, which is also available from NM Car Care, and I'm just gonna do the whole of the car with the citrus, including the wheels. Okay, so we've got 100ml into 500ml of water with the Snowfoam, so we're just going to layer that on the top. Okay, so we've got the Snowfoam on. It's not the thickest consistency I've ever seen, but we've got that on with the citrus, and we can just see it is starting to take effect on that dirt, and you can see it running off there. So this car has probably not been cleaned for 6 months, and I think for me, doing a car this dirty that hasn't been cleaned for such a long time, it's really important that we carry out as much pre-wash stages as we can. So it is having an effect, definitely. Okay, so I've given it been about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. And let's get it rinsed off. I hope from this angle you'll be able to see what difference it's going to make. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, that is making a fair bit of difference. I don't know if you can see it on the 50/50 there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'll get round, rinse the rest of the car off, and then we'll come back and we'll get it washed. So I thought I'd bring you in for a bit of freehand rinsing. So I think that sort of demonstrates it's not perfect, but on that 50-50, same with the wing there, which I've already rinsed, how effective the pre-wash actually can be. So yeah, happy days. I'll get the rest rinsed off and we'll do the wheels. Alright, so again, as you can see, the pre-wash on the wheels did a really great job, so makes a big difference. So yeah, you just gotta have to bear with me a bit today, guys. My tripod's not here and I've no gloves and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, this is the non-acidic wheel cleaner. So let's get it spritz on. Don't be scared of using plenty when it comes to products. Get plenty on, let it do its work. So yeah, I'll get to it and we'll get it washed. So I've got a bit of shampoo in the bucket and just to aid the lubricity, and obviously the wheel cleaner on the wheel. So this wheel cleaner it's not dilutable, it's ready to use, and it is suitable for using on tyres as well. I don't know if you can see how much brown it's pulling out of the tyres. I'll just give them an agitation. Oh yeah, look how much grime that wheel cleaner's pulled out there. As you can see, the wheels are not actually that dirty now, we've pre-washed them, but there's still some grime in we're pulling out. So I'll get the barrels done, we'll get it rinsed off, and we'll see where we're at. So this barrel brush is it's a microfiber, like a woolly barrel brush from Maguire's. I've had this a good few years now, and it's a real trusty piece of kit. I picked it up off Amazon for about £13. So yeah, well worth it. There we go. Get to wheel nuts. Around the tyre valve. So another thing I would suggest, if possible, is when you clean your wheels, do your faces first before you do the barrels, because when you pull the dirt off the barrels onto the face, you can just start scrubbing that around. Obviously this is a front wheel, so a front wheel will always be dirtier than a rear wheel, as traditionally on cars 70% of the braking of the vehicle goes through is from the front and only 30% from the back. so they will wear the brakes down quicker and leave you a lot of mess on the wheel in the process. And then we'll do the tyre. And then the barrel. Now obviously for wheels this isn't got a fall light remover in this wheel cleaner. You can follow this up with a fall light remover afterwards if you want to get them really clean. This is probably not one of them occasions in my opinion. This is a little brush from Alien Magic just to get in behind the calipers. But yeah, I'm not gonna worry too much about getting a fall light remover on here today. She just wants it cleaning to an extent. I've got to do the interior as well, so just manage expectations. Right, so we've got it washed, we've got it dried, it's looking a hell of a lot better than it was. Now we're just going to use some of the high gloss quick detailer. So that the key is with a quick detailer, got to be nice and easy to use. So I'll flip you around and we'll give it a shot. The beauty is with a quick detailer as well, is as you're going round at the end, if there's any little spots that you might have missed or something that was a little bit more stubborn, you can pick it back up with the QD. So really handy product, and it will add a little bit of protection, albeit not much, and it's not something that it won't stick around for too long. You usually get a couple of weeks out of it. It'll just give you a little bit of a gloss boost as well. Just flip it to a dry side and then just a quick wipe over. Perfect. Yeah, we'll just do the same on the boot lid as well. Also, these are the cloths that come in the kit, and really nice. These are the general purpose towels. There are some plusher ones as well that comes in the kit, but there's no need for using them. They're great for buffing waxes and stuff off, but QDs I find work better with like a general purpose towel, like a 350, 400. Perfect. Really good, really easy, really happy with that. We've just got the glass left to do, and then I'm going to dress the tyres, but obviously there's no tyre dressing in this kit, so I'll use I think I'm going to be using Auto Bright's Classy. So lastly, we just got the glass cleaner. Straightforward glass cleaner. We just load it up. Why not towel for good luck? Buff it over. Flip your cloth to the dry side. And then once more. You just see it flash off. It seems like quite a high alcohol content glass cleaner. So yeah, it should just flash off on its own anyway. But yeah, no fuss. I mean, glass cleaners are probably one of the least sexy detailing products out there, but they've got to be used. You've got to clean your glass. So yeah, pretty fuss free. What I would say is probably don't use as much as I just demonstrated there. So, car's all done. I think it's looking brilliant, and to be fair, products were really impressive. Glass cleaner, slightly, it was a bit hard work, but I think it was just a case of not using too much, just a couple of sprays per pane of glass. But everything else was brilliant. The pre-wash products worked to treat in tandem. The shampoo was slick, it was luxurious, it smelled really nice. Yeah, so I can't fault anything. Now the wheel cleaner, I can't seem to find it, just bear with me 1 second. This is it here, it's a blue one, tyre and wheel cleaner, ready to use. So it says the wheel and tyre cleaner designed blah blah blah. I think, and I could be wrong, because I have been once or twice, that this is from Auto Bright Direct, because I have used their wheel and tyre cleaner before. It's exactly the same colour, it works exactly the same way, and it's a fantastic product. So yeah, if I mean, you could probably say the same about the glass cleaner. It's the same colour as Auto Bright's glass cleaner. Citrus is hard to tell, but yeah, whether that's the case or not, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that wheel cleaner at least is an Auto Bright product, which is not a bad thing at all. So yeah, all in all, really impressed with all the products, and at the price point that they're at, it's an absolutely perfect startup detailing kit. So I wouldn't hesitate in buying it again, using it again, and yeah, thoroughly recommend them to try. If anyone's come across any other bargain TikTok detailing kits, let me know, drop a link in the comments and I'll have a look into them as well. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.